Another part of our service is we show you trade lines that we use that'll help you boost your score also while we're repairing your credit. A credit report trade line is simply an industry term that describes a credit account. If you have a credit account, you therefore have a trade line on your report, and they may come in the form of lines of credit, like car loans, mortgages, credit cards, and payday advances. While we're repairing your credit, you might want to add some of these trade lines that'll help boost your credit score. One of them that we use is the Z Black card. Now, they have several rewards and several things that you can do with this card. I just primarily got it for the trade line and it reporting good history onto my credit reports. Now they have business opportunities with this. You can make money showing other people. I primarily got it to add as a trade line onto my credit. Another one is something called self lender. I'm into this also. You can build while you save. This reports to all three credit reporting bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. How this works is you join Self Lender to check your credit score and get credit monitoring at no cost. Apply for a credit builder account to build credit and save money at the same time. Now you can get started for $9. If you they have one package that is $25 a month, I think 24 months. And at the end, you've established a credit history and it unlocks your savings. So that money that you're paying each month goes into a CD. And then after your term, which could be 12 months to 24 months, you get that money back. So not only have you built a credit history and great reporting credit to your to the three credit bureaus, you also get that money back. There are two trade lines right there that you might want to start with while we're doing the credit repair that'll help speed us along. Now, another thing you might want to look at, which a lot of people do, and it's called piggybacking. Now, before I go into this, let me show you what piggybacking is. For years, parents have used credit card piggybacking to help their children get a jump start on their credit. Credit card piggybacking simply refers to adding someone as an authorized user on your credit card, usually to give them a credit boost. I have seen this give people a 100-point credit boost just due to the fact of the credit history. So when someone adds you as an authorized user on their credit card, you get that whole reporting history transferred over to your credit reports. One company that I use is right here. There are several people who have great credit and that are willing to let you pay to get on as an authorized user on the card. Now, you will not get a card and you will not get to spend that money, but what you were getting is you're getting that great history, uh, like right here at Wells Fargo. If you was to pay $330, you would get a $13,000 credit limit reporting to your credit files. And the year that it was issued was 2015. So that's 3 years of great reporting credit going transferred to your credit file from Wells Fargo 13,000 credit limit. That will send your credit score skyrocket. You've added $16,000 500 chase from 2010 credit history onto your credit report. You will see a boost in your credit score. People do this right before they go buy a house, a car, or something big. That way they can get the best interest. Now, these will report as open accounts for 30 to 60 days. After that, they'll be like closed accounts, but they still will show on your credit report. Let's just say that you did it today, 2018, and you got this right here. This will show that it was reported from 2010 to 2018 of a 16,500 limit with great reporting history onto your credit reports. This right here will spike your credit score to no end. Okay, I just wanted to go over with you a couple lines of trade lines that you can get. See, Black Card, the self lender, starting out while we're repairing your credit, and then at the end, you're going to add authorized user accounts right here. This is what's going to spike your credit to no end at the end of the credit repair process, and it's going to help you get the credit that you need, the home that you need, the car that you need, or whatever, the loan, whatever. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.